The customer brought their vehicle in, mentioning that the airbag warning light was on. Airbag systems are critical for safety, so I began the diagnostic process by connecting a scan tool to check for any stored fault codes. The scan tool retrieved code B0091, which indicates an issue with the Front End Sensor 3 center. This sensor plays a key role in detecting frontal impacts and communicating with the airbag control module, so addressing any faults here is crucial for ensuring the airbags deploy correctly in an accident. My first step was to visually inspect the center airbag impact sensor wiring harness. This involves looking for obvious signs of damage such as frayed wires, corrosion, or loose connections, which can cause false readings or interrupt the sensor's signal. However, everything appeared to be in good condition. Next, I disconnected the sensor connector and carefully inspected the connector and its terminals. Corrosion, bent pins, or dirt can often cause poor electrical connections, but in this case, the connector and terminals looked clean and undamaged. To further investigate, I used a multimeter to test the wiring harness for any shorts or open circuits. A short circuit would indicate an unintended connection, and an open circuit would indicate a break in the wiring. Both conditions can prevent the sensor from functioning properly. The tests confirmed that the wiring harness was intact and functioning as it should. With the wiring and connections ruled out, it became clear that the sensor itself was faulty. A faulty sensor cannot reliably detect impacts or send the correct signals to the airbag control module, compromising the system's effectiveness in a collision. To fix the issue, I replaced the center airbag impact sensor with a new one. After the replacement, I cleared the fault codes from the vehicle's system and performed a road test to ensure the repair was successful. The airbag light remained off, and no new fault codes appeared, confirming that the system was operating correctly. This repair demonstrates the importance of a thorough, step-by-step diagnostic process. By systematically testing each component, I was able to pinpoint the issue without replacing unnecessary parts. Ensuring the airbag system functions properly is vital for the vehicle's safety and the customer's peace of mind.